Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre, and today we have an iPhone that needs a new display, and I think David is gonna discover that what he's writing now is not correct. So we have another Apple device here in the shop, and we're gonna replace the display. This one is in a very bad state, and we're gonna try to refurbish this for our client. So the client told us that this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and we don't really have a way of telling without going into the device. So David took his word for it and proceeded with the repair, knowing that it's an iPhone 12 Pro Max. But later on in the video, spoiler alert, this is not a 12 Pro Max, this is an 11 Pro Max. This shows you that the smartphones, even the flagship ones, are not really getting a major facelift or a major design change year on year. So this is gonna be like a twin of the 12 Pro Max on the outside. So we're gonna remove the display. Very easy. You remove two screws and pry off the display. Prop it on its side here at 90-degree angle. Remove the screws for the display. And then more screws on the display. And detach all the connectors. We're gonna put this to the side here. We're gonna remove some hardware from the old display, and we're gonna transfer them to the new replacement one. So this one is, I think, the scanner. I'm gonna remove that. It's a bit dusty inside, so the damage has made the device susceptible to dust. So these components needs to be brushed, cleaned before we can install them to the new display. So David is trying to use a 12 Pro Max display. I try to put it in, and that's when we realized that this is not the right model name for this device. But David took the time to clean all the components that we have removed, and of course David has corrected. And this is an 11 Pro Max, so we got an 11 Pro Max display here in the shop as well. So that's really fortunate for us. We don't need to wait for parts to come in. There you go. We're just gonna clean off the housing, blast off some dust, and attach some connectors for the display to work. Turn on this device. There you go. Perfectly working iPhone 11 Pro Max. Gonna take a while for it to load up. And it's disabled in a different language, but the display is now working. We don't have any errors. The client will have to sort this out for themselves, but our work here is done. We're gonna open this device up, make sure everything is snugly fitted. Checks, final checks, visual inspection. I'm gonna open this up. course, the retaining clip, the plate for the display connectors will be reinstalled. Put back the screws in the right places. And we're almost done. So if you have an iPhone 12 Pro Max or an 11 Pro Max, we still have display replacement units here in the shop, so don't hesitate to visit Sydney CBD Repair Centre if you want a very quick smartphone repair for your iPhone device. David has been doing iPhone repairs for many years now, so rest assured that he will do a great job cleaning, doing the right thing on your device so you can use them for many years to come. Just like this one. We're gonna put back all the screws and we're gonna call it a day. So if you want to see more repair videos in our channel, like and subscribe. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. You'll see more of David's repairs. If you visit our channel, you can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram. We also upload some shorts and reels on those platforms. And this is a freebie tempered glass so that the iPhone will live on even longer with this added protection. Thanks for joining, guys. I hope you learned something. I hope you had fun. And we'll see you again next time. Take care. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time.